Even after the loss nung last game 2 namin, I was really happy with the effort. The effort was there. We just lost the game because we did not make enough free throws. Just very low percentages from the free throw line. And then we made one bad decision, fouling Calvin Oftana, taking a 3-point shot or 4-point shot, whatever. So, nandun na yung nandun na yung, I think it's an innate confidence that we can hold our own, we can compete with TNT. I was telling them before the game how hard we tried to win that last game, but because of free throws and just one bad decision, talo kami. So, if we can replicate that effort, make our free throws, and then play a little smarter, maybe we can win this game. So, yun lang, we shot well. Anton really shot the ball well, and then we got our share of rebounds. We defended well. Of course, malaking bagay, wala si Pogoy. No? Yung panalo nila game 1 and game 2 was really just the brilliance and outstanding play of Pogoy in the first game, and then the outstanding play of Calvin in the second game. So pagka na-solve namin yung dalawa, mas malaking chance namin. So we were really just focused on playing defense and rebounding. We did not really worry too much about our offense.
Thank you so much, Coach Yang. And we nearly an average of 7 minutes in the first 2 games, but how were you able to get the rhythm, the timing, and the confidence that you had to just come out on fire?
Siguro just being ready to step up. Kasi yun nga, kulang kami, injured si Felix. So, I know I'm gonna get my chance. So, just being ready to step up na. Kasi sabi ni Coach Yang, yung eliminations, iba pa yan sa quarterfinals siya sa semis. The farther you go, kailangan mo i-elevate yung game.
We're now opening the floor to the
Congratulations. Kung sinigap yung mga nangyari kay legal ni Kurudin and legal ni PGR. Just talk about yung nangyari kay reaction mo.
Yun lang. Yun nga. Those things happen, but you really want to protect your players, no? Especially kung nandito ka na, no? Malaki yung chance na maka-advance ka. It's really preservation of your personnel. Alam ko sa kanila laking bagay, nawala si Ray, nawala si Heruela, nawala si Pogoy, sino pa nawala sa kanila? Sa amin, nawala si Bo, nawala si Felix. So, I felt na there's room for physical, for rugged play. But it's really yung mga pwedeng maka-injure or pwedeng maka-damage ng career ng player, or hindi man, ang laking bagay nung mawawala siya sa'yo ng 2-3 laro, baka tapos na yung series, no? So, accidents will happen, we can accept that, no? But yung mga flagrant, yung mga kailangan. And we play physical, nangyayari din yun. Minsan meron din kaming ganon, but it's not really with any malice, na walang malice yan.
After playing, kung sayang natin, and playing to the way you play in the way you want tonight, does that make you
from the very beginning naman, these guys, they know what they can do. They know they deserve to be here. They know after 4 times of playing in the semifinals, they know what it takes. Naintindihan nila yun. After playing TNT 3 times in the semis, we know what it takes. Pero iba pa rin, iba yung nila, iba yung, they're very competitive, they're very disciplined, and then yun nga, double barrel shotgun, Pogoy and Oftana. There's sheer talent, they can take over a game. So ang bigat pa rin. Yung sabi, pag wala si RHJ, mas madali silang talunin. Hindi rin. Ang hirap nilang talunin. So, at least nakatuwan kami. Tsaka ano rin namin, our best chance is to make this series long. If it becomes a short series, talo kami. So at least nanalo kami ngayon. We know it's going to 5 games. Pag nanalo pa kami, we know it's going to 6 games. So we know our best chance is really taking this series to the stretch. Sorry, contribution ni Santi? Okay. Nag-usap kami nila Keith kahapon, with the coaching staff. We told him we know he can play better, we know he can make a better contribution, and he showed it today. He played longer minutes, got his share of rebounds, played with a lot of hustle. So ang tingin ko baka kailangan lang niya ng konting motivation. So si Santi naman, the usual thing. Santi is also being used as a 3 and a 4 whenever the situation requires, kung whatever the situation requires. So parang na siya, parang siya na yung magte-take over sa role ni Gabe. Gabe is really our Swiss Army knife, so maging ganun na rin si Santi. And he's proving that he can take on the responsibility.
Coach, yung past two semis, game 3 na nanalo kayo eventually. Tatalo kayo last 2 games.
Hindi.
You plan to break the trend?
Siguro naman, subukan naming i-break yung trend na yon. Wednesday is the big game. We feel that if we can break through. Kasi pag series namin, 4-1 kami ng 4-1 So at least napantay na namin yung level nung dalawang playoffs namin sa kanila. Pag nalalo kami sa Wednesday, ibig sabihin nag-improve na kami. So tingnan natin kung makakarating sa ganun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.